Hey guys, what's up? How you doing? Why is this making a noise for no reason? Sorry about that, fellows. But despite using this phone for years now, I still get confused sometimes when it acts weirdly. But I am sure that I am not the only one who is still not familiar with the almighty smartphone and its many quirks. It might be hard to believe, but there are dozens of cool Android features beneath the surface that you probably were not even aware of. And in this episode of Tweak Friday, we will show you some of the best secret smartphone settings, or I can say hacks, that you didn't know about, and exactly how you can find them. So without wasting any of your time, let's get started. Number 1. Run apps side by side. You love your Android phone for staying productive throughout the day. Only being able to use one app at a time can be fairly limiting. But if you want to use two apps on your phone at the same time, there is a secret trick to do so. Tap on Recent Apps button in the bottom left corner. In Recent Apps, locate the app you want to use in a split screen. Then tap on the apps icon. For example, I have selected Chrome. And tap on Open in Split Screen View. The app you selected will temporarily appear as a black bar on the top of the screen. Tap on the other app you want to use in the split screen. I have selected Notes, for example. Now you can copy this text by selecting it, hold and drag it down and copy text from one split screen to the other. Now with this, you will be able to switch between the two apps seamlessly. When you want to close one of the apps and end the split screen, tap and hold on the black bar in the center of the screen, then swipe in the direction of the app you want to close. Number 2. Phone as CCTV. What is the most important thing for you? For me, security. Because security is something that you should never compromise with. Most especially the security of your home, and having your own security camera system CCTV can be quite expensive. Fortunately, you can use your smartphone for security at home with an app that has a sensor motion to convert your phone into a CCTV camera. Install at-home video streamer monitor for Android and iOS on your old smartphone. This handset will be used for streaming the camera feed. Now, download the at-home monitor app for Android and iOS on the device you want to receive the CCTV feed. This phone will be used for viewing the camera feed. As soon as it goes online, the at-home video streamer will generate a unique connection ID (CID) along with a username and password. You can enter this information on the phone you will use to monitor the feed. And that's it. All you have to do now is find a suitable location where you can place your old phone and safely leave it there. Number 3. Visual elements. If you want to see some things a bit better on your device, then you should definitely check this visual elements. For example, you can change the look of the keyboard, also up the size of the fonts. And for this, go to Settings, tap on Accessibility, and then tap on Visibility Enhancements. Here you will see so many different settings. If you tap on the high contrast keyboard, you can select and try out these different high contrasting keyboards to change the look of the keyboard. And by tapping on the font size and style, you can make a font more bold. And then here is what it actually looks like once you do the changes. So if you are having a hard time seeing things on your device, then this will be super helpful for you. Find your silent phone. Sometimes you keep your smartphone somewhere in your home and totally forget about it. The easiest way to find a lost phone is just call it from another phone. But in case your phone is on silent, then what will you do? If you have an Android, then it is possible to use Google Find My Device from a different device like your PC, laptop or tablet to send an alarm to the phone. You can download Google Find My Device from the Google Play Store and set it up by going Settings, Security, Device Administrators. This tool bypasses your phone's silent manner. The phone will then ring until you find it. Let's know how it works. Open any browser on your computer and search for Google Find My Device Manager page. Log in with your Gmail account, which is associated with your Android device. After login, you will see the list of devices that are connected with your account. Select the lost device and you will see the play sound, lock or erase option. Now click on the play sound option and you're done. Number 5. timed do not disturb. If you are in a meeting or anywhere else where your phone needs to not be a distraction for a little while, you can actually set your phone to not bother you with notifications or phone calls for a particular time or day. And it only takes a few minutes to set up. Go to settings, type do not disturb. Here you'll see the option, tap on it. If you toggle it on, it does not disturb you with notifications, messages or phone calls during a specific time or day that you set. And from here you can set what days and on what time you do not want to be disturbed with notifications. So these are some of the secrets of Android that we found the most useful. If you know any other such secrets, then don't forget to share with us in the comments. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.